Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a wolf. Now this was a request from this awesome person here, and it was also a request from this awesome person. So thank you folks for your request. I'm going to draw this wolf howling, so I think this is going to look really cool. Before I get started, folks, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All that really helps out the channel a lot, and it's greatly appreciated. Okay, so our howling wolf. Okay, I'm gonna start with the nose. So I'm just gonna do kind of like just like a little sketch, and then I'm gonna go in later with some colors. All right, so we got a little nose right here, and then we're coming on down. This is like the muzzle. And we're branching up this way. This is like where the eyes would be. And now we got some ears. So this is one ear. And some fur. And it's curving. And right here, up here at the top there, the nose. I'm going down this way. The mouth is going to be open. Like I said, he's howling. So I don't know if you noticed, but wolves have like it almost looks like they're wearing black lipstick. They have like really dark lips. So that's why this is so thick here. This dark line is so thick. Okay. And then this is the bottom part of the mouth. We're gonna come on in a little bit. And then lots of floofy furry bits. So lots of little strokes of fur all over the place. Wolves are quite furry. Okay, so here in our howling mouth, I'm going to do a couple little sharp looking teeth. Just a few little sharp fangs wherever we can fit them. Like that. And the eye, his eye is going to be closed. So it's just like a little slit. Like that kind of thing. Okay, I'm going to darken up this bottom lip here. Okay, and a few more strokes of fur coming on down this way. And this here is his back. All right, so front legs. Come on down. And we're gonna I'm gonna give him a big claw on each little toe. Wolves have great big paws. Okay, you can see I'm kind of adding these little strokes as I'm going up the leg here. Just helps to make the texture of the wolf seem really furry. All kinds of floofy fur. All right, so the other front leg, we're gonna come on down and do what we did just a second ago. So big front claw on that toe, another one, and another one. And then come on up and add some floofy, fluffy strokes here. All right, so back leg. Some floofy strokes. And one big claw. Another big claw. And another big claw. another back leg. So this one's going to be kind of bent. So one claw, 2, and 3. Adding a few more little like strokes just to add more like texture. And can't forget a big floofy tail. Okay, so I'm gonna start adding in some color. All right, so we are done our picture of our wolf howling at the moon. I put in a little moon there so he had something to howl at. I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you folks back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye.